Hydraulic tuning, a vital maintenance task across various industries, unfortunately exposes technicians to potential hazards. It requires the technician to manually adjust live equipment. HydroTune has invented a solution that ensures safety whilst improving efficiency through remote adjustment of the equipment.
Removing the need to have a mechanic inside that environment. And we do that by replacing their inputs, their hands and their eyes, with remote tools. There is a significant amount of productivity lost in just having multiple people perform these tunes on large plant. And we can now do that with one person, and that one person has control over the entire operation. So we have a universal remote actuator that can go in place of the mechanic's hands, and a hydraulic pressure feedback that can go in place of them reading a gauge. And then they can then take a tablet with an Android app, go and sit in the safety of the cab, and tune that system remotely, 100% safe. There's also the ability to get, for the first time ever, unimpeachable data for hydraulic tuning. And that's never been a thing before. Whilst we have universal adapters that can be easily changed to suit any application in the field, we also have the option of making bespoke adapters. So we come out, we scan a real industrial environment and virtually install our technology in that environment and make the adapters to suit that exact application. So when your field technicians go to do the job, they know that that adapter can be fitted in as little as 1 or 2 minutes. So it's easier than actually doing it by hand.